Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel your DU SIM card using the updated method in 2026. So first of all, if you have a postpaid plan, the first step is to clear your balance. For that, you need to simply log in your DU application. Here, when you go to the billing section, it will show whether there is any outstanding amount that you need to pay. If you are still in a contract, the application will automatically calculate your exit fee, which is usually 1 month's basic rent. You must pay this before you can proceed with the cancellation. The most reliable way to cancel is by calling to the DU cancellation department. For that, you just have to simply dial 800-155, select your language, select the option for account cancellation. You will need to enter your account number, and when you speak to the agent, just simply tell them that you are leaving the UAE in order to basically ensure a fast, no hassle closure. Now, if you are a prepaid user, you just have to simply do nothing. You don't actually need to basically call anyone. If you just stop using the SIM card and do not recharge it for the next 90 days, you will automatically deactivate the line and cancel the registration. So based on the plan and the SIM type that you have, you can just simply follow the cancellation process. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.